Hey everyone, I'm Andy, and in this video I'm going to explain probably one of the easiest exercises anybody can do, the military style push-up. The push-up is a great exercise activating major muscle groups such as the chest, the anterior deltoids, and the triceps. The push-up consists of two phases. The eccentric phase, where the elbows are flexing, the chest is stretching, and you're lowering your body down towards the ground. The concentric phase is where you activate those muscles and lift or press against the ground, elevating your torso back to the starting position. What makes this a military style compared to your conventional or normal technique is the strict rigidity of the joints during movement. Furthermore, the amorization is where the midpoint of the glenohumeral joint has descended lower than the elbow parallel. Lastly, hand placement is not strictly enforced, allowing the participant to reposition their hands throughout the event. In setting up, your hands should be directly below your shoulders with the elbows locked out, as well as slight dorsiflexion of the ankles, allowing the toes to pivot against the ground with the knees and hips fully extended. This would create your straight and rigid starting position. With the hands placed underneath the shoulders, equally displaces the amount of effort required for one or submaximal push-ups across all primary muscle groups. However, widening the stance by spreading your hands apart will transition more of the effort towards the anterior deltoid and the pectoral muscles, making the triceps less fatigued. However, bringing the hands in closer together will exaggerate the effort needed at the triceps or the elbow joint and relieve fatigability off of the pecs.